Marhaban everyone, hello everyone, Shakbarkom, Kaifa halik, Salam alaikum, Shu Akbar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. If you're new here, I am Kathy and I'm trying to learn Emirati Arabic language. This is the dialect that is widely spoken here in the UAE and some of the countries here in Gulf. So if you're interested in learning Arabic, join me. Let's learn this language together. Yalla! The first word of today is come. Come, which is tal. Tal. For example, my friend waved and said, tal, come, come, come. Tali habibi, tali habib. Number two, wait. Wait. We say entadar, entadar. Also, I've heard a lot of people say sabir, sabir shwaya, sabir, sabir, sabir. For example, if the taxi is late, you can say sabir shwaya, it will be here. Number three, slowly. In Arabic, we say shwai, 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 shwai. This is very common. I hear a lot. Shwai, shwai, habibi, shwai, shwai, habibti. For example, I'm learning Arabic shwai, shwai, which is slowly, slowly, or little by little. I'm learning Arabic shwai, shwai, no hurry. Another word I've learned, this is number four, is tired, which is taban, taban. Like for example, after work, I always say ana taban yom. Today I am tired. Ana taban, I am tired. Number five, hungry, hungry, like you want to eat something. Juan, Juan or Joan. For example, I skipped lunch today. Now I am hungry. I skipped lunch. Now I am Juan. I am Juan. Is that the name of a person? Juan. Juan. Number six, beautiful. In Arabic, we say helwa, helwa, or jamila, jamila. This is when you're referring to a female or feminine. And for male, I think it was jamil, 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 if it is for male. Otherwise, for on this case, let's just learn helwa or jamila. For example, the sunset in Dubai is helwa. The sunset in Dubai is beautiful. Helwa. Number seven, water. My. Okay. For example, I need water. I need my. It's hot. I need my. It's hot. I need my. Aber my. Number eight, quickly. I hear a lot they say bisura. Also, you can say yalla. That's another word people used to say quickly. You can just say yalla. Let me know in the comment section below if I'm really pronouncing this very correctly. That's what I learned, and that is what I've been hearing people say quickly. Bisura. Number nine, listen. Isma. Okay. For example, listen. This word is very important. Isma. This word is important. Isma. Number 10. Talk. Kalem. Don't be shy. Talk to me or talk to people. Don't be shy. Kalem with people. Or talk to me. Kalemni. Number 11, finished. Kalast. For example, finish alone is kalas. Finished, kalast. For example, we finished the food already. We kalast the food already. Number 12, enough. Bus. I hear this a lot. Bus. For example, I've eaten too much. You can say bus. I've eaten too much. This is enough. Bus. My favorite one, number 13, money. Flus or Bezat or flus. This is what I hear a lot here in the UAE. Flus or Bezat. Okay. For example, I forgot my money at home. I forgot money at home, for example. I forgot flus at home, or I don't have money. Ana mafi flus. Mafi flus, habibi. Habibti mana mafi flus. Number 14, friend. Sadiq. Sadiq is friend. For example, I met a new friend at work. I met a new Sadiq at work. Number 15, car. Sayara. Sayara. Like for example, I cleaned my car today. I cleaned my sayara اليوم. I cleaned my sayara today. نظيف سيارتي اليوم. نظيف سيارتي اليوم. That's I cleaned my car today. 16, house. بيت. For example, I'm going back to my house. I'm going back to my bait. I'm going back to my bait. For example, my house is beiti. Beiti. House alone is bait. Number 17, work. Sugar. For example, I have so much sugar this week. I have so much work this week. عندي وايد شغل هذا أسبوع. عندي وايد شغل هذا أسبوع. 18, look. شوف. For example, شوف that building is amazing. See that building or look at that building, it's amazing. شوف that building is amazing. Or look at me. Shufi. Number 19, tomorrow. Bukra. I hear also say the people say bacha. Bukra or bacha. For example, I'll go shopping bukra, not today. I'll go shopping bukra or I'll go shopping bacha, not today. Number 20, come here. We checked before come, which is ta'al, but this one is come here. Ta'al hina. Ta'al hina. Like for example, my friend called me and said, ta'al hina. Come here. So guys, and that is what I've learned so far this week. Let me know if you knew any of these words before or which one was your new word. Ma salama. See you in the next one. Bye.